Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making Jase's favorite sweet potato pie from Miss K. Robertson of Duck Dynasty. I saw the recipe while looking through her Duck Commander Kitchen cookbook and it caught my eye. It's a simple, old-fashioned pie, sweet, buttery, and it makes the entire kitchen smell like fall comfort. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these sweet potato pies were very easy to make and turned out beautifully. As written, there was enough filling for two 9-inch store-bought pie crusts, plus a little extra to fill two 8-ounce ramekins. I'll leave a link in the description below showing how we cooked the extra filling in the ramekins. These pies cooked a total of 1 hour. Once I turned the oven down to 300 degrees, after 30 minutes the crust was starting to brown. I didn't want them to overcook, so I tinted the edges of both pies with aluminum foil for the final 20 minutes of baking, and they turned out perfectly. Just be sure to let them cool at least an hour before cutting into them. My wife and I have made this recipe a few times before, and both times we used canned yams to make things very easy, and they were delicious. So this was the first time I've used fresh sweet potatoes. Before I get to the taste test, I want to quickly mention why the edge of this piece looks a little rough. I use gluten-free pie crust, and while they taste very good, they're also very crumbly, so it's difficult to get a perfect piece out of the pan. Now let's give it a taste test. You can see how nice it looks. When I took the first bite, I immediately remembered how good this pie really is. It was incredibly delicious. Using fresh sweet potatoes gave it a different texture, one that's deeper and more complex than canned yams. It was also smoother tasting. It was hard to stop eating, it was so good. The filling just melted in my mouth. As far as taste, it's seasoned perfectly. The slightly predominant flavor is the nutmeg, but it's not overpowering. It blends nicely with the cinnamon, salt, and hints of vanilla. 2 cups of sugar seems like a lot, but you're making 2 pies with leftover filling, so it wasn't overly sweet as you might expect. It's just the right amount. This was hands down the best sweet potato pie I've ever had. What makes it so great is the overall simplicity of ingredients. Nothing fancy, nothing exotic, just plain ingredients blended together perfectly into a classic pie that absolutely lives up to the hype. I give this one 1,000 stars, and if you love old-fashioned desserts, then this one's a must. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other reviews in my desserts playlist.